Passion will help you be successful. What you do with that passion can truly show who you are as an individual. That's what Northrop did for me. They fueled my passion as well as my career and development, and they fueled me to give back. The motivation to going above and beyond, not just in your day-to-day life and your work, is changing one person's mind at a time. Adelante planted a seed of community, of giving back, and awareness. It's an employee resource group that allows us to essentially share our culture, our cultura, our family, with anyone that's interested in learning more. Go into your community, get involved, ask. That's the real legacy that you leave behind. When you look over your shoulder, extend an arm and say, there is a way. Yo soy Pablo Mendoza, y yo estoy definiendo posible.